Aluglobus, giving you A to Z in the US, California, fences, gate, wall cladding, and pergolas. And we're showing you the process. As our billet, premium billet, 6063 T6. T6 is gonna be in the oven when we're done, but that's a 6063 automatic. We're gonna go into the oven. First, we take pride and quality control of our product. Know what you're getting. You know that your fence, who made it, how it made, and what it was made of. Follow me. There behind me is our single press where we put our die makers. This is the metal die. That's our C-channel. We're actually running now some 4-inch slats. 4-inch slats gonna run. Billet is getting heated up. Gonna drop into the press, go in. Aluglobus, we take quality control. We know what we're working with. We know the qualities, and then we're gonna powder coat it ourselves. Let's follow. Then we inspect piece by piece, check it, wrap it, and get it ready for powder coating. All this process is done here in the US, giving us pride, but also quality control, and give us more capabilities for your doorstep, fence, gate, and wall cladding, and pergola as well. So follow me. So you're looking for your gate, fence, wall cladding, pergola. You're a contractor, homeowner, designer. You know where to go. You know where the quality is, and you can feel it and see it. Aluglobus is going to give you the best qualities and much designs that you can work with your designers. Make your commission with us if you're a contractor, or just buy the material and do it yourself. Check us out, Aluglobus, giving you the finest of all. Checking out, watch our videos for installs, and learn more.